Good morning, sir. My name is Kishore. Today's talk about starting in the nursery business. Why nursery business? A backyard plant nursery is the profitable business for any individual. If you have the hobby of gardening, you can transfer your hobby into profitable venture. Additionally, the low infrastructure costs make the business revenue-wise more lucrative. One reason of this interest is the necessary industry has experienced a steady increase the wholesale and retail sale over the past 14 years. But that not the only reason. Many people have interest in the environment and are attracted to the prospect and working outdoor. Other interest in landscaping enhance the aesthetic and value of property. And next is what you need. Bringing plant you want to sell to our shop and plant them in the decorative post on site before setting them out of sale. You will need soil, shares, wheelbarrow, and spends to run your off-site nursery. Expert in the phase of plant production from propagation, the post harvest handling like farming, growing nursery crops required hard work and long hours. You
Developing a nursery business plan. Determine the type, market, location, site, design, and size of your operation. Establish specific details on equipment, employee requirement, operational cost, estimated price scheme, project, trade on return on investment, and asset of availability. An organized business plan is really a roadmap to business success. A set of guidelines for operating your nursery business and your chance of successfully arranging financing for banks, private money lending institute, private investor, or government program will be greatly enhanced if you have organized comprehensive business plan.
My name is Jambu Parth and my topic name is defining the market. So there are many type of method to define the market. So some 5 possible approach to define your market. First method is to define the type of customer within your target market based on the sales and a local chamber to commercial data. Second one is determine the customer preference for a product and service through a questionnaire and investigation of the local competition. Third one is use of local national industries association data and a commercial publication to determine the market trend. Fourth one is anticipate the future preference on the type of the number of a plant to growth. And last one is promote a plant which you or other colleges consider outstanding.
Choosing a business location for the nursery business. The first point is consider the nearest to the other nursery and the major cities and the highways. The second point is the transportation facilities, distance to market, competition and availability of the reliable labor like a full-time, part-time and seasonable labor, and availability of the inexpensive land for the future expansion. The third point is the present and the future regulatory status of the area. It should be like zoning, taxation, labor relation, environment issue, and the product inspection. The other topic is important for this business is labor requirement. The number of employee or labor you need to for this business is depend on the size of your operation. The second point is starting with the few personnel, give more time to training and require to less financing. That makes the mistake will be less and the less costly. The nursery business is the seasonable activity which extend the labor need during the fall and spring. The last point of this topic, the types of product and the service will offer you can increase the sales and reduce the downtime of the seasonable and part-time labor. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Tarun Kharwa. In this presentation, the next step is government scheme for nursery business. There are different subsidies regarding different type of nursery business like tea coffee nurseries, hilly area nurseries, general area nurseries, high-tech nurseries, flower nurseries. From them, I have described one subsidies, that is 40% of total cost within the range of 50 lakh on general areas and 55% of total cost within the range of 60 lakh in hilly areas and special areas. I have mentioned one link below this so you can check it for further different type of subsidies and process. Now moving to our next step, that is conclusion. Starting in nursery business is exciting and complex. If the planning is done properly, then it will be beneficial personally and financially. But it takes time and effort for proper management. In short, in the nursery business, there is lot of success if you look and try for that. Thank you.